Next, seventh question. Question number 7. You see the question. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. From a point on the ground, first take a point on the ground. Let us, this is the ground. Okay, there was a point on this ground. Let us take this as a point on the ground. Then you see, angle of elevation of bottom and top. First one is bottom because respective word is given. Angle of elevation, both are. Angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. There was a building. That the height of that building is how much? 20 meter. Let us take this as a building. So height of this building is 20 meter. Okay, let us. This is the height of the building, 20 meter. On this building, there was a transmission tower. Let us take this is the transmission tower. So this I will take what it is? Tower. So mention it different way. Okay, this is a tower. Now, the angle of elevation from this point, the bottom and top is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. The first word is bottom. So, angle of elevation from this point is 45 degree. Okay, that is bottom of the transmission tower. And from the same point, angle of elevation will be, now it is what? 60 degree, that is top of the transmission tower. This is bottom of the transmission tower. Bottom of transmission tower or top of the building, both are same here. So bottom or top, bottom of the transmission tower, top of the building, both are same. Okay. So 60 degree means what it is? Angle of elevation of the top of the transmission tower. 45 degree is angle of elevation of the bottom of the transmission tower. Okay. So if you go through the diagram, generally you can think. So this is this level, this height is less than this one. So angle of elevation must be less as compared to this one. Okay. In that way also you can think. Now we are going to find is what? Find the Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of this tower. This we have to find. Let us name this diagram A, B, C, D. Okay. Here also two right angle triangles formed. Angle C. A, C, D. Okay. One right angle triangle. Another one will be B, C, D. For the triangle BCD, angle is 45 degree. For the triangle ACD, angle is 60 degree. Okay. We are going to find what here? AB. So AB can be written as what? AB I am going to find here. AB can be written as AC minus BC. AB can be written as AC minus BC. BC value is known, 20 meter. Height of the building, BC is known. But I want AC. So AC I am going to find. If you are going to find AC, AC is the side of triangle ACD. For this 60 degrees there. So opposite by adjacent, both are unknown. AC and DC both will be unknown. But I want AC, DC will be also unknown. So before that ACD right angle triangle, you go through the triangle BCD. In this one, CD you can find. Applying tan 45, BC by CD. BC is known, you can find CD. Then after you can go for the triangle ACD. Now in right angle triangle, BCD. Now for right angle triangle BCD, angle is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equals to BC divided by CD. Now tan 45 degree value is 1. BC value is how much? 20 divided by CD. Cross multiplication, CD is equal to what? 20 meter. CD I got it as a 20 meter. Now we can go for another right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ACD. ACD. Now I want AB. For that AC minus BC. Now I need AC to find AB. Okay. So AC I have to find. So in right angle triangle ACD, AC divided by CD, that is tan 60 degree can apply here. Tan 60 degree is equal to AC divided by CD. Again tan 60 value is root 3. AC we are going to find AC divided by CD value is 20. Now AC is equals to 20 root 3 meter I got. Okay, AC. Now AC is known. Now I can find AB, that is height of the tower. So therefore AB is equals to AC minus BC. AC minus BC. Now AC value is 20 root 3 minus BC. BC is given, that is 20 meter height of the building it is. Now here you can take common as 20 root 3 minus 1. So this is what? AB. In meter you can write. That is the height of the transmission tower. Now write the conclusion. Therefore, the height of transmission tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Root 3 minus 1 meter. Let us discuss the 8th question. That is question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal. Let us take this as one ground. On this ground there is one pedestal, and I will take this as pedestal. Now on this pedestal there was a statue. Now I will draw the statue. So this I will take it as a statue. So height of this statue is how much? 1.6 meter. They given it. This is 1.6 meter height of the statue. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree. From a point on the ground, the top of the statue will be 60 degree. Okay. Next, from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Now this is a pedestal. Angle of elevation from the same point, how much it is? 45 degree. They given here. This is how much? 45 degree. Now find the height of the pedestal. We have to find the height of this pedestal. Let us name the diagram. This as A, B, C, and this as D. Okay. We have to find here what? BC I have to find. So there are two right angle triangles formed. ACD, one right angle triangle, and another will be BCD. Now in right angle triangle BCD. Okay. Now this is 45 degrees there. Tan 45 degree is equals to BC divided by CD. BC by CD. Now tan 45 degree value is 1. BC divided by CD. Now cross multiplication. CD is equal to what? BC. CD is equal to BC. One condition I got. This as equation number 1. I will name it. Then I will go for another right angle triangle. That is in right angle triangle ACD. ACD. In this one, for the angle 60 degree it is. Tan 60 degree I will apply. Tan 60 degree is equal to AC by CD. AC divided by CD. Now tan 60, that is root 3 is equal to, in place of AC I can write as AB plus BC. AB plus BC divided by CD. Divided by CD. Now root 3 is equal to AB value. AB is known, that is 1.6 meter plus BC we have to find. I will write it as it is, divided by CD. In place of CD I can write as BC because CD equal to BC. I already got it. So this is BC. So we have to solve this equation. So unknown is BC only. That I want it. Now cross multiplication. Root 3 BC is equal to 1.6 plus BC. Okay. Now, so take this BC to the left. Root 3 BC minus BC is equal to 1.6. Now you take common here as BC. So inside will be root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Now BC is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now we'll multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Now this is equal to 1.6 into that BC is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, now this is A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square, that is root 3 square minus 1 square. Now this is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus 1, that is 2. 1.6 divided by 2, that is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. So this is in a meter I can write. This is what? BC. So BC value is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Means that is height of the pedestal. Okay. Write the conclusion. Therefore, height of pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Root 3 plus 1 meter.